So it's a huge pleasure to be here today. I get a chance to travel around the country and talk to many different audiences. I can already tell this is going to be a very fun group to spend some time with. But because it's May 4th. So I get to make all the Jedi jokes and the Force jokes that I want, and it's a little bit less weird today than it normally would be. So the Jedi have been using this for many, many years in a galaxy far, far away, but it's also something that's very similar to what the Chinese do, and they refer to it as Qigong. There was a traveler going through China at one time, and he came across this community, this village, and he noticed that everybody in the village was very vibrant, very young-looking, very healthy. And then he realized that they all came together in the morning, and for 18 minutes they would do this together. So we've only got about 17 more minutes. I want you to say, "My name is Mary."
My name is Mary.
Say that 3 times.
My name is Mary. My name is Mary. My name is Mary.
And resist. Thank you very much again for allowing me to come out and share some things and have some fun with you today. May the 4th be with you today and every day. Thank you very much.